Hello friends, this is Sandipan here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So till now we have learned everything about Python lists and a number of important operations we can perform on them. So today we are going to learn the most important topic on list, that is list comprehension and list slicing in great details with examples. So, if the question arises in your mind that is this topic really important to learn, then let me tell you this will add more syntactic sugar to your Python code and really makes your code shorter and cleaner. There are many situations where you want an operation to be done with just one line of code, then this is must for you to learn. Also, I promise you that after this tutorial, you will realize the importance of list comprehension and slicing techniques. So, without any further ado, let's dive into it. Let's start with list comprehension. So, list comprehension is basically a shorter syntax to create a new list from the values of an existing list. Using list comprehension, we can select the whole list or a part of a list and create a new list from it or perform operations on it. So let's take an example. If I have a list of colors like this, colors equals and inside square brackets, orange, red, yellow, black, green, sky blue. And based on the colors list, if I want to create a new list containing only the colors whose names are ending with the letter E, then in traditional way, we can do it like this. First, I have to define an empty list like new colors equals and empty square brackets, and then for x in colors, so I'm looping through each and every color, and then inside the for loop, if x of -1 equals e. So here I am trying to get the last character of the string using negative index and comparing equality with e. And then inside the if condition, new list dot append x. So here I am trying to append the color that matches the given condition in our new colors list. And finally, print new list. So it contains the orange and sky blue colors as their names are ending with E. Now, with list comprehension, we can do all these things with just one line of code. So let me show you how we can do that. So first, I am going to declare a variable that is end with E colors. So that is going to be my new list. So end with the colors equals inside square brackets. I have to write the logic here. Now watch it carefully. X for x in colors if x of -1, that is the last character, equals e. So another important point to note here, as I always used to say, give your variables a meaningful name so that the values can be easily guessed. So now if I try to print the end with e colors list, you can see this is also giving us the same result. So it really makes our life a lot easier and makes our code more cleaner, readable. So the general syntax for the list comprehension will look like this. New list equals and inside square brackets expression. So this is the value that we want to store in our list. Then for item in iterable. So in our case, the iterable is the list name, and then if condition equals true. So here will be the condition based on which we want to add the values in our new list. So if we compare the two codes side by side, in our example, the expression here is the list items, then iterable is the colors list, and condition is if x of -1 equals e. So finally, the return value is a new list and also the old list will remain unchanged. So let's try with another example. If I want to store the names of the colors that are not ending with E, the code will be like this. Other colors. So I am naming this list as other colors equals inside square brackets x for x in colors if x of -1 not equals E. So here also you can see I am looping through each and every colors that is denoting by x, and I am directly putting the value of x to the other colors list based on the given condition. So now if I try to print the other colors list, you can see it is giving the colors whose names are not ending with E. Now we can extend it further. So if we want to append the string ending with E with respect to the colors which are actually ending with E, else it will add the color name as it is. So for example, in our new list, in place of orange, there will be the string ending with E. But for the colors like red, it will be red itself. So, to add the else statement, we have to perform the check on the expression that we want to store. So, for that, we have to add the condition like this: mismatch colors equals, and inside square brackets, x if x of -1 not equals e. So, we can do the condition checking here as well as an expression, else ending with e. So if the condition matches, then it will put the x itself to the list, but in other case it will put the string ending with e in our list. And then for x in colors. So for each and every color, it will check that condition and put the values accordingly. So at the end, print mismatch colors. So you can see at the place of orange and sky blue, it stores the string ending with E. Cool, right? Now let's move towards the last example. If I have a list of numbers like this, nums equals, and inside square brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I want to make another list which will contain the squared value of the nums list, we can do it like this: squared nums equals, and inside square brackets, x into x. So this will be my expression here, and then for x in nums, and then print squared nums. So you can see it contains the squared numbers of the nums list. So you see it makes the operations a lot easier. Let's summarize the important points to keep in mind. Number 1, we can put the condition check after the for loop, which is same as filtering out the items inside the loop and has no direct effect on the expression. Number 2, we can put the condition check before the for loop, where the condition check will be done on the expression itself and we can add else clause here. Number 3, the expression can be the item itself or any calculated or modified value out of the original value. Number 4, each time we do list comprehension, a new list will be created and the old list will remain unchanged. Okay, so today I am ending the video here as it is already over 10 minutes. I will continue the second part, that is list slicing, which is another important topic must to learn, and probably you can see more use cases of list slicing than list comprehension while coding in Python. So don't skip that. So that's all for today. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can create more such helpful contents for you. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.